What looks like waste today will soon become flooring beneath millions of footsteps. It starts here, with discarded plastic bottles waiting for a second life. Every bottle here contains material valuable enough to begin an entirely new product. Now the transformation begins, separating usable material from everything that does not belong. Before recycling can succeed, every unwanted material must be identified and removed. Now only clean PET remains, ready to be broken down and rebuilt from scratch. The bottles now surrender their original form, beginning the journey toward a completely new material. Uniform flakes ensure every later process operates with greater efficiency and precision. The plastic has changed shape, but its transformation is only beginning. Now begins the process of removing the contamination collected during each bottle's first life. Every remaining impurity removed here improves the strength and quality of the final carpet. What began as discarded bottles now meets the standards required for advanced manufacturing. At the midpoint of the journey, recycled plastic becomes a manufacturing material once again.
The material is no longer waste. It is now a valuable industrial resource.
Everything prepared so far now leads to the moment recycled plastic becomes fiber.
For the first time, the recycled material takes on a recognizable new identity. Every strand must meet exact specifications before it can become part of a carpet.
The bottles are gone. In their place stands the foundation of every carpet to come.
Now the fibers are combined and strengthened into yarn designed for years of daily use.
This stage determines how resilient the final carpet will feel under countless footsteps.
Everything is ready. The recycled fibers are about to become a finished carpet.
For the first time, the recycled fibers begin taking the shape of a finished carpet. The material has become exactly what it was designed to be. From discarded bottles to finished flooring, the transformation is now complete. One final inspection confirms that every stage of the journey achieved its purpose. Yesterday's bottles become tomorrow's foundations, proving that value never truly disappears.